Code for America has already helped clear the convictions of more than 8,000 people in California, and now Illinois residents and officials are hoping they have the same impact, the same success rate here.
We needed to partner with someone who had the incredible technology and the capacity for innovation to allow us to do that. And that is why we are so proud to be partnering with Code for America.
As more and more states across the country begin to legalize marijuana, thousands of people find themselves haunted by past convictions that show up on background checks. Code for America is a nonprofit group that's developed technology aimed at helping people reduce or clear any low-level convictions from their record. Jennifer Palka is the executive director and founder of Code for America, and she says the process for the Clear My Record program begins with analyzing records that are legally ready to be clear.
Our software just doesn't make judgment choices of its own. Our software really encodes the law and simply makes it possible to read all those records very, very quickly. We can do about 10,000 records per minute.
Cook County and the Illinois State Police are teaming up with Code for America to use the group's Clear My Record technology. The program will use data from ISP to match arrests with all of Cook County, starting with convictions from 2013. People with convictions from before 2013 can petition to get it expunged at no cost. This new technology will then sort the convictions with all the necessary motions so that the state's attorney's office can present those to the court. Now, this sort of technology is pricey, but for Cook County, it'll be free.
We have a memorandum of understanding, but there is not a contract.
State Attorney Kim Foxx has promised to automatically vacate all convictions under 30 grams in Cook County.
Conviction relief is not only a critical part of righting the wrongs on the war on drugs, that a low-level marijuana conviction does not mean that someone is a threat to public safety.
Now, Cook County is the first county outside of California to have Code for America's technology, but there are still a couple nuances, very important nuances that need to be talked out in order to make this process go smooth for everyone involved. So if you take a look at your screen here, we're talking about two major things. Number one, how people will get notified of vacated or expunged records. A safe, private notification is currently being thought out if the address of the person is outdated. Now, since all expungements have to get approved by the court, Foxx is trying to have a court call in bulk so that there's absolutely no backlogging. And by looking at the racial breakdown of this process, those who have these conviction reliefs are mostly communities of color. I'm live downtown this morning. Gutierrez, The Jam.